When it comes to design, it is important to classify the difference between standard color models. It is also important to know which color model to use and for what purpose. There are two main color models used in a design are RGB and CMYK. Let us see the difference between these color models and how they are used. The acronym RGB stands for the primary colors red, green and blue. The RGB color model technology is used to display anything on a monitor or other electronic screens. For instance, the screen that you are looking at is made up of small pixels. Each pixel is broken down into 3 subpixels such as red, green and blue. RGB is also known as additive color models because when the subpixels are added together in various ways, they produce a broad array of colors. The subpixels can be added using various intensities to create various color combinations. You can manually adjust the RGB intensity for each pixel in order to get the color you want. The higher the value, the brighter the colors. When all the 3 subpixels are added with the maximum intensity, it generates white color. The acronym CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow and black. The CMYK color model is used in the printing process. The 4 colors are mixed together in various amounts to produce different shades and hues on paper. CMYK is a subtractive color model because when all the CMYK colors are held together, they form a pure black color. Thus, RGB additive color model displays better on a screen and can be used to design websites and other screens. On the other hand, the CMYK subtractive color model is intended for a printed page. So, understanding the difference between RGB and CMYK is essential piece of design.